Alright, if you got an AirTag, we got two new AirTag holders to check out. They're both from Moment. This one is called the Curved Surface. This is more flexible. You can kind of wrap it onto something that has a little bend to it. There's also one with a very similar design that is for hard cases. It's made out of looks really good. This one is the stretch fabric version. This one I liked because this one looked really incognito. You could put this in a jacket, you can put it in your backpack. People probably won't notice it. It looks a little better. So let's open these both out, check them out, see what we get. All right, we're gonna start with the curved surface version. All right, looks like you got a couple extra sticky stickers. And here is your curved surface. Very interesting. You would put your AirTag in here, pop it on. This is nice that they didn't completely cover this. Makes it a lot easier to grab your stuff, I would imagine. So this one you can have on something that kind of has a bend to it. You know, stick it under your bike seat, stick it on your drone, somewhere like that. All right, very cool. Let's check out the fabric version. Not much to this one. Yep. Oh, you only get one sticker with this guy. Moment is saying that it's got some type of technology that helps it stick to fabric. So let's see, it just kind of slides like so. And there you go. It's in there. You can barely see it. Nice and fabric-y. So there you go, folks. Not much to it. These are the Moment AirTag holders. I ordered these in September. They finally arrived, so they are available. Check them out if you need a new holder for your AirTags. Thanks everyone for watching. Check out some more videos, subscribe down below, and I'll see you at the next one. Take care.